Are you wondering how some people seem to build wealth even on a modest income, while others struggle no matter how much they earn? If so, this video is for you. In today's Money Mindset Channel episode, we're uncovering 5 powerful habits that anyone can adopt to start building wealth regardless of their income level. If you're committed to making a positive impact on your financial future, please remember to like this video and subscribe to Money Mindset Channel, where we're here to support your journey toward financial success. Habit 1. Prioritize consistent saving. Why consistency matters. Wealth is often built not by occasional big financial wins, but by consistently saving over time. When you prioritize setting aside money every time you're paid, you gradually build a financial foundation that grows stronger with each contribution. Automate to simplify. One of the easiest ways to ensure you save consistently is by automating your savings. By setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a dedicated savings or investment account, you ensure that your savings happen without requiring effort or willpower every month. Start with a comfortable amount. You don't have to save large sums to get started. Start small, even if it's only $10 or $20 per paycheck, and gradually increase it as you get more comfortable with the habit. The key is to get into the routine of saving consistently. Visualize your progress. Track your savings on an app or in a journal to see your progress. Watching your savings balance grow over time can be a huge motivator and show you that even small steps have a significant impact over time. Habit 2. Live below your means. What does it mean? Living below your means doesn't necessarily mean extreme frugality. It means spending less than you earn and prioritizing needs over wants. By doing this, you free up more of your income to go towards saving and investing. Develop a spending awareness. Track your spending and identify areas where you might be overspending. Sometimes small changes like cutting down on takeout or avoiding impulsive online purchases can make a big difference. Focus on value over cost. Instead of simply looking for the lowest prices, consider the quality and value of what you're buying. Investing in durable items that last, for example, can save you more in the long run than constantly replacing cheaper, lower quality goods. Build a mindful spending habit. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. This habit encourages mindful spending, helping you avoid purchases you might later regret. Habit 3. Cultivate multiple income streams. Why multiple streams are important. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially if it's your only safety net. Creating multiple income streams provides a buffer and can dramatically accelerate wealth building. Explore side hustles that fit your schedule. Look into side hustles or freelance work that doesn't interfere with your main job. This might include freelancing, tutoring, or starting a small business online. Invest in passive income opportunities. As you save, explore options for passive income, like dividend stocks, real estate, or even peer-to-peer lending. These investments can provide returns over time with minimal ongoing effort. Monetize your hobbies and skills. If you have a skill or hobby you're passionate about, consider ways to make money from it. You'd be surprised how many hobbies, from crafting to coaching, can generate additional income. Habit 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. What is lifestyle inflation? Lifestyle inflation refers to the tendency to spend more as your income grows. It's common, but resisting this urge is key to building wealth, as it keeps more of your income available for saving and investing. Use raises to boost savings, not spending. Instead of using pay raises to increase your lifestyle, set aside a portion of each raise for savings and investments. This allows your lifestyle to remain stable while your wealth grows. Identify wants versus needs. Each time you're tempted to increase spending, ask yourself if it's a need or simply a want. By keeping your focus on financial goals, you'll be able to resist unnecessary spending more easily. Reward yourself intentionally. If you do decide to splurge, make it a deliberate choice rather than a reflex. Save up for treats and big purchases and pay in cash whenever possible, so you avoid debt while enjoying life's pleasures. Habit 5. Invest in self-education and skill growth. Why education matters. Financial literacy is essential for building wealth. The more you understand about money management, investing, and budgeting, the better equipped you are to make wise financial decisions. Set aside time. Each week to learn, dedicate at least 15 to 30 minutes weekly to reading financial books, watching videos, or taking online courses. This regular habit will expand your knowledge and help you make better financial choices over time. Seek out mentorship. Learn from those who have successfully built wealth. This could be someone in your network or an expert whose content you follow. Mentorship can provide unique insights and inspire you to keep progressing. Stay informed on investment options. New investment opportunities come up regularly, and staying informed can help you make smart moves when the time is right. Follow trusted financial news sources and channels like Money Mindset Channel to stay updated on new ways to grow wealth. Additional tips for long-term wealth building: create a long-term financial plan. Having a clear plan gives you a roadmap to follow. Write down your long-term goals and create actionable steps to achieve them, whether that's saving for a down payment or building retirement savings. Be patient and consistent. Building wealth takes time, so it's essential to stay patient and consistent with these habits. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, and small, consistent efforts will pay off in the long run. Embrace delayed gratification. Instead of making purchases based on immediate desire, get comfortable with delayed gratification. Saving for something meaningful often brings greater satisfaction than impulsive spending. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Being around people who are also focused on financial goals can help you stay motivated. Join communities, online groups, or even financial workshops where people are discussing and working towards similar objectives. Conclusion: by incorporating these 5 habits into your life, you're setting yourself up for financial growth and security, no matter your income level. Remember that small, consistent actions are the building blocks of wealth. Prioritize savings, live below your means, explore additional income streams, resist lifestyle inflation, and continually educate yourself. These habits are the foundation of a strong financial future. If you're ready to adopt these habits, start implementing them today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Money Mindset Channel for more tips to empower your financial journey. Thank you for watching, and here's to building wealth on any income.